4 weeks. I think it's been like 5 weeks. Maybe, yeah, maybe like 5 or 6 weeks, something like that.
You're still pretty easy though.
Okay.
I don't usually have too many tough ones. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's Thursday, July 6th. It's 4:45 and I'm pretty much done with work. I am trying to take this hair out. I did this hair over a month ago. It's probably been like 2 months, to be honest. No, not 2 months, but it's definitely been at least a month, and it's time to take this hair out. So disclaimer, if you're thinking about getting like boho locks or goddess locks or whatever they're called, the locks with the curly hair, just know that this style sheds like crazy. I'll be finding hair in my bed, I'll be finding hair in my clothes, my laundry, I'll be finding hair in my butt crack. Like, hair is just everywhere. It's in the couch, it's on the floor, it's everywhere. Yes, the style is cute, but it's just like crazy, and I'm ready to take this out. What I'm about to do is I'm going to head to the beauty supply store, which is right around the corner, and I'm gonna get some 40 volume developer and bleaching powder because I'm taking this hair out tomorrow and I'm slapping on a wig on Saturday. I haven't worn a wig in like a year and a half, which is insane because there was a time period where I just always had on a wig. I had multiple wigs. Currently I have no wigs and I just haven't put a wig on my head in so long. I need to get my stuff ready because my boyfriend's gonna pick me up soon to go to the gym. He gets off work in a couple minutes. So let's go to the hair store. I'm probably gonna need some help because when was the last time I bought 40 volume developer and bleaching powder? It's been a while. So wish me luck. Hopefully this process doesn't take long because I don't have much time because I need to, you know, be home so that I can be ready.
The 40 developer, and then usually the packs of bleach, but we have like different bigger ones.
How much are the packs? Because I...
$3.29.
Okay.
And we have...
Alright, so from what I remember, this is what I would use. Should I get one or two? And then I only need a small bottle of the developer, and it looks like it is $2.39. But now I'm thinking I should get like 2 of these, like just in case. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get 2 of these because I do not want to run out of powder. Okay, so the main thing I needed to get was the bleaching powder and the 40 volume developer. So I ended up getting 2 BW2 powders simply because I remember like when I used to wear wigs, like bleaching the knots the first time, and then sometimes they don't bleach all the way, so I would have to go back in again. Next, I got my 40 volume developer. Now, I don't remember ever running out of this, so I just got the small bottle, and this was $2.39, and the bleaching powder, they are $3.29. And the only other thing that I need is some mousse. So I normally just use cheap mousse, and the mousse at the hair store was like $5, and why get that when I could just go to the Family Dollar and get mousse for like $1.99. Hey you guys. So I finished installing my wig. What do you guys think? Okay, so let me just, elephant in the room. I over bleached these knots like crazy, and yeah, I'm not gonna lie, that area right there, it don't look great. But this is my first time like wearing a wig and doing this in over a year, almost 2 years. It's been a while, so I'm kind of a beginner again. But other than that, the hair is so soft, you guys. This is from Tinashe Hair, by the way. First time ordering from them, and it was okay. For $119, the 16-inch barrel curl wig is okay. But I did record it for YouTube, so stay tuned for that. Y'all, look at this mess that I've created. Like, that's me. But that's my camera, my setup. Look at this mess I created. I had all the different hair tools that I needed. So yeah, I need to clean up my room. Just wanted to show y'all my hair before my camera dies. I'm gonna clean up. I have to go grocery shopping, and then I think I want to get something like to eat later tonight, but we'll see. I don't know.
Something's not working.
Hi, mommy.
Yeah, well, this pasty little beaver is about to rob his.
So I'm making oxtails. Y'all, 3 hours of cooking this meat, and it is finally done. So this is how it came out. The stove is off, but it's still hot, and things are just simmering. But yeah, I've never cooked oxtail before, and I had to get some help from my mom. And she pretty much told me she uses a pressure cooker, which I know, but I didn't anticipate it taking this long to cook. But she just told me that the meat was tough, and that's probably the reason why. Yeah, food's done, but the crazy thing is, like, I've been cooking this food for so long, like, we're not even hungry anymore. Like, we've been snacking, eating cereal, drinking a bunch of water, and we're not even hungry right now. So I'm gonna just let this sit, and we're gonna go to the pool, and we'll probably come back in an hour to eat.
1 hour later.
So this is the final dish. The oxtails look really good. I haven't tried it yet, but I did try the gravy and the beans and everything, and it tastes pretty good. So the oxtail should taste good. My only concern is if it's if it's been tenderized, because it was very tough. But we got some mixed veggies, rice, oxtails with butter beans, and some plantains. So yeah, let's dig in.
High and up for entirely too long. One in my car that I didn't know. Ran into the back of my car. It's pretty good.
We're gonna be making oxtails every weekend.
There's no way I'm going through this
Exactly.
again.
It
took me 3 hours to cook the meat.
It's good. Christina did tell me.
Today is Tuesday, and I'm currently working from home still. Today I was able to do some cleaning. I had to clean out my vanity that I have been just putting on a back burner for so long. I'm doing laundry. I finally made my bed, which is something I should try and do every morning. As you can see, I have this box, this Home Depot box filled with clothes. I just have clothes that I don't need, and quite frankly, it's just giving me like some weird anxiety for some reason. I have like a very small closet, as you guys can see, so it doesn't really make sense for me to have this much clothes. So I decided I'm going to drop off some more clothes at Plato's Closet. So I'm gonna take these pants. They're just some white pants or off-white pants that I got from Target. They fit fine, but the thing is, I have like a bunch of pants like this. I'm also gonna get rid of these long white pants that I got from H&M. They are very cute, but I don't think I've ever worn these pants, or I've worn them only once, and the reason is because of the cut. Like, it's just not my style. So I'm gonna just try to sell them. Next, I have the same pants from H&M, but they're in green, the same long kind of wide leg pants, and these they still have the tag on them, and I think I got them because like they were on sale for $6. So I'm just gonna rip the tag off so Plato's don't know I got it for $6, and I'm going to also try and sell these. Next, I have these leather pants that I ordered from, I can't even remember what the name of the store is. They're not like the best quality leather pants, and I recently picked up a pair of leather pants from, I can't remember, I got them from Nordstrom, but I don't need 2 leather pants, plus I don't really like the paper bag like waist. So I'm gonna take these to Plato's Closet as well. Next are these super cute shoes. How cute are they? Can you guys see? They're perfect for vacation, and I think I got these for like $3, but they're small. I got them and I was like, I'm gonna just shove my foot up in these and wear them, but I haven't worn them and they're really small, so I'm just gonna get rid of them. Okay, so next is this dress, and the reason why I'm getting rid of this dress, like, it's just like a halter, like flowy summer dress, but I'm getting rid of it because I have like another dress in this exact same like purple long type deal, so I don't need to. And the last thing I think I should be able to sell, maybe, oh wait excuse me. The last thing I think I should be able to sell is this cute skirt. I actually donated some clothes to Plato's, like, oh wait, ooh, okay, never mind. I've had it since 2021 and I've never worn it, so I'm gonna just try and sell that. But everything else is just kind of like basics. I mean, I'll try to like pick out the best to see like if I can sell them, but other than that, this is all the clothes right here. Oh, this is all the clothes that I'm gonna try and sell, including the shoes that I showed y'all. So yeah. I'm back from Plato's Closet. I dropped off my clothes. They had it for a good 45 minutes and I just picked it up. That was literally a waste of time. They only took 3 items. They took the dark green pants, the light green pants, and also the long white pants. It is what it is. I ended up making $11.80 from selling 3 pair of pants. One of them which was $5, so you know, I don't make the rules, I just follow them. By the way, y'all remember when I was making those oxtails? I know y'all saw when I dropped the meat in the pot and all that oil splashed on me, right? I immediately just ran into the bathroom and rubbed some Vaseline on my arm because I didn't know if I was burnt or not. But yeah, I did end up getting burnt pretty bad on my arm. I felt like I was being careful, but the meat just like fell off the fork, so I don't know. I guess no one really burns themselves intentionally. It's always an accident. But what I'm trying to say is I was trying to be careful, but things happen and I got burnt pretty bad. So I guess I'm going to try and find some like scar cream or something like that so that the scar isn't too bad, but I know it's going to scar. Okay, I don't know if y'all could see it, but this is my arm. Okay, so it starts like up here, like by my wrist, those 2 dots. And then that's the big one right there. That's like the skin is peeling. And then it just like, it just goes up and it stops. Like this is the last one. So yeah, I messed up my arm pretty bad while trying to make some oxtails, but luckily it doesn't hurt. It did that first day, but it's been that was Sunday and it's Tuesday now, so it's been a few days and it's not as bad, but it does look pretty gross. But hopefully it just doesn't scar, you know, like too much, but we'll see. Just 2, right? You want more up 2? And we're gonna share it. Why are you in my shoes?
Your feet are very small.
Yeah, I'm a size 7 women's, which is 2 sizes down from a man. We're trying some beef patties from a Jamaican spot that is new to us. This is how the beef patty looks. It's homemade, and this is actually beef and cheese. We wanted to get just beef, but they didn't have any just beef, so this is beef and cheese. Let's see how they taste. Who's he? You. Yes, my boyfriend. He has not had beef and cheese before, so let's see how these taste.
Let's do it.
Okay, that's how it looks on the inside. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. What do you think?
That's good.
I like it. Do you like the cheese?
Yeah.
So what do you think? Have we found our new spot?
Yeah, this is good, yeah.
Yeah.
You're gonna give me my half.
Mm-mm.
I need my half. Okay, let's see.
There's 2 more over there. I don't need to give you half of mine. What are you doing? That's why it's burning you.
It's burning. Why did you do it for
You trying to steal my food while you burn it? Your mouth is burning.
I was trying to do both.
No. That's what you get. Look at this couch. This couch got crumbs everywhere. That's how you know you're eating authentic Jamaican beef patty. Crumbs everywhere.
This thing is gonna. I don't know why you introduced me to beef patty. This is gonna make me fat.
I'm sorry.